Hey everybody, welcome to Shopping with Shana. So really quick, I apologize. I am dealing with a bit of a summer cold and my voice is awful. So I apologize right now for how crazy it sounds. But guys, I wanted to jump on here real quick because we have a few extra deals today. Plus I have one big update for you. So this is the Kroger, yes, updated must-do deals that runs from July 13th through the 19th of 2022. And of course, this is July 14th when I'm actually putting out this video for you. This is week 2 of our mega sale, and if you want to see the must-do deals video from yesterday on Wednesday the 13th, please go check that video out. It's got a ton of deals. You don't want to miss any of those, but I wanted to give you 2 new deals plus an update on one of those deals from yesterday. So before we get going, do me a huge favor, hit that subscribe button, ring the notification bell, hit all so you don't miss any of my videos. We're going to jump right in and see what's happening at Kroger. Alright, I'm going to start out with one new buy 5 or more, save $1 each mega sale item. We've got a really hot deal happening here. I want to make sure that you know about it. Okay, so the first thing is the Neutrogena Facial Cleanser. These are regularly priced $5.99. They're on sale for $5.49, mega sale for $4.49. We have a 2-off-1 digital coupon. I always include the pictures up here because sometimes we have several different Neutrogena coupons that are digital, and you want to make sure you know which one to load. So this particular one that says Hydro Boost on it is the one that is attaching to this product. So out of pocket, you'll pay $2.49. At that point, you can submit to Ibotta. So Ibotta just came out today for 2 back on 1. It's limited 4 times. Final cost just 49 cents. Now, I do know that I have seen this like last week as a deal, and I never had the Ibotta rebate, but I did this morning. So I know that's a little odd. Definitely check your Ibotta and make sure it's available. I'm not sure why I'm just now getting it, or if it has actually just reloaded for everybody and you're getting it again. But it should just be 49 cents for this product, which is absolutely amazing. Alright, I've got a Kroger deal, plus I've got one updated deal for you. Now these are non-mega sale deals, and I always want to make sure that's very clear so you don't have to make sure you're buying in multiples of 5 or anything like that. Okay, so this is a new one from Ibotta this morning. We got a brand new rebate for $1 back on 1 for the Stuffed Puff Marshmallows. Now these are regularly priced $4.49. They are on sale this week for $3.99. You will have to pay that out of pocket, but then Ibotta is going to give you an extra $1 back, a limit of 5 times. Final cost is going to be $2.99 each. And there is a bonus attached with this, and the Keebler fudge cookies, like the striped circle cookies. If you do both of them, you can get a bonus. And I was just thinking how cool it would be with these stuffed puffed, because they're huge. You would like roast them over your campfire, and then instead of using like graham crackers for your s'mores, use 2 of those cookies. I mean, I'm sure that's kind of the point with the putting them together as a bonus rebate, but I thought this was a really awesome idea. I was like, ooh, that sounds delicious. Cookies and chocolate and marshmallow. Ooh, it just sounds good. Let me know if you've tried it before. I'm sure it's amazing. So here is an amazing deal with the Serious Bean Company. So you want to grab one of these beans. It can be any of them that you would like, whether it's the Dr. Pepper, the jalapeno bacon, the chipotle one, or the buffalo beans. There's plenty to choose from. They're all regularly priced at $1.79, but no worries. You're going to go to this link. I'll have it in the description box below, where you'll print this freebie coupon, and then you can head to the store and grab one of these for 100% free. What a really great deal here. And if you're like me and you're kind of stocking up your canned goods right now because of the looming food shortage that's supposed to be hitting us in the fall, this is a great one to have, and it's a great freebie. Okay, I have one deal here that happens to go with the baby aisle sale. So right now in the baby aisle, it's spend $40, get a $10 off instantly for specific products, and one of them include this new leaf pull-up. So you want to grab 4 of them for this deal. They're regularly priced $10.99, so your total is going to go straight to $43.96. So again, $10 comes off instantly when you spend $40. Then hand over your coupons. You need to have 3 of the 2-off-1 from Smart Source 710, and there's also a 2-off-1 digital coupon. So take an extra $8 off there. Out of pocket is $25.96. Then you can submit to Ibotta for 50 cents back on one. It's a limit of 5 times, so you get an extra $2 back there. And then your final cost is $23.96 total, or basically just $6.49 each. Coming from an $11 price, this is a pretty decent deal. Alright, next updated deal I wanted to show you is the Scotch-Brite Heavy Duty or Non-Scratch Sponge. So I told you about this yesterday in our Must Do Deals video on Wednesday. It's, of course, near the very end because it's the weekly digital. So if you're, definitely go check out that video so you can see all the other deals. Now, these are regularly priced $3.29. They're going to be just $2.99 each with the 5-time weekly digital coupon. Plus, because that's a store coupon, you can pair it with $1 off too from Smart Source $4.10. Hopefully you still have that insert and that you save your inserts. Obviously, if you're a new couponer, you probably don't have that one, but that's okay. So out of pocket can be as low as $2.49 each. And if you're buying 2, you're going to be paying, $4.98. But then you could submit to Ibotta for 75 cents back on one, limit of 5 times. Now, there supposedly is a Kroger cashback for this as well for 75 cents back on one, a limit of 5 times, making the final cost 99 cents. However, when I went to my Kroger cashback, it's not there. I don't have it, so definitely check your account and make sure you do have it. If you don't have a Kroger cashback, you can grab these for as low as $1.74 each. And I want to say a big thank you and shout out to 2 ladies for letting me know what these are. Again, the very first name, I don't want to butcher your name. If you could do me a favor and leave me a comment and tell me how to say your name, I will try to say it correct in the next time I use one of your deals, because I know for sure I've used yours before. But anyway, they let me know about the Ibotta rebate that I missed. And then Holly on the bottom also said there was a matching Kroger cashback. Now, I don't have that Kroger cashback, so that's why I can't include a picture for you. But definitely go check and see if you have those. So you could grab these for just 99 cents, which is amazing. What a really awesome deal for this. Okay guys, that was a quick updated deals video. If you like it, give it a great big thumbs up. Make sure you share it with a friend. I'm actually heading to Kentucky Kingdom today with the kiddos to check it out. Let me know if you've ever been there before. It's like a Six Flags theme park. And if you like it, and let me know if there's something we need to do while we're there at the park. Have a wonderful day, and I will see you later. Bye guys.